Good morning. This is Frank with Trade Stalkers. It's March the 9th, and it's about 8:25, just before market open. The next 3 to 5 minutes, I'm going to give you targets to the upside, targets to the downside, and areas of possible consolidation. Going to go through it pretty quickly this morning since we're running behind. Looks like we opened up last night around the 1982.25 area and just consolidated sideways along the 24-hour VWAP and our moving average price till around 11 o'clock. And then it just kind of climbed up to previous zones from yesterday and our current zone for today in the 94 area, excuse me, 1984 area. As the European market opened, it started gradually climbing up until we reached an overnight high of 1994. And now we're right back to pivot points. We're right back at that 68 1.8 retracement. This has been acting as a key level for about the last week and a half now. Right now, we're currently trading just below it, so we're going to look at what happens and see if this was a failed top up here. This happens to be a double top from yesterday at the high here at 94.25. So if we look, since we came back below there, we're looking for a close before the 24-hour VWAP. But we also, because this zone's in play in the 84 area, we want this market to come all the way down to probably around 82 area. Look for a pullback into the VWAP and this zone, and then there'll be opportunity to go short. Be cautious of this consolidation area at this pivot point from overnight. But first target will be the overnight low of 1977. Actually, yesterday's close at 1977, where we might double bottom into this zone right here. So be very, very cautious of that. At this point, we look for a bounce, probably back up into this zone, probably to retest the VWAP. Now, depending on the market strength and momentum, this would be another opportunity to short and go right back down to our next level. Be cautious around 7150 area and this 1970 area, but we should go all the way into the zone of the 66 area if we continue to the downside. However, I think that's unlikely that we get there, and if we do, we'll probably go down and test this 6250, this red dashed area right down here. Major, major support. So let's assume we come right here. We're going to fail at this 24-hour VWAP. This is a good retest. Here's a good place to, between here and this zone, to go long. Let's see where this bar closes here in 5 minutes to decide that. And then automatically put your long in and go right up. First target for today to hold will be the double top at 1994. We're going to look for a pullback to this 61 area, get a bounce off of this, and then if we've got a strong buyer's market today, this is where we should climb right back up. Watch for some consolidation between this 94 and 90 area, and then it should break right up to this 2002 level. This 2002 level, look for a pullback into this area about the 98.25, and then possibly continue on. So at this point in here, at least 50% of your trade off, let one of your runners go, or more than that, and let it run for the day. Following targets would be 2005 area, and then all the way up to the 2016 area if something happens really strong. So as the market opens, just watch this real close and we'll decide what we're going to do. If you have any questions, contact Frank at tradestalkers.com. Have a great day.